Welcome guys. We will replace the LCD panel. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Remove protection tape. Remove all the screw from protection cover. Remove protection cover from main board. Remove all the screw from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer from body. Disconnect sub-flex connector from sub-board. Disconnect display flex connector from main board. Free to LCD display flex from body which is attached with double tape with the body. Apply heat on the LCD panel, must shake heat gun on around the LCD, do not stop anywhere. Make space with blade between LCD glass and body. You can remove small pieces of broken glass with blade, but not large size of broken glass. Remove LCD panel with X-ray, but careful do not damage LCD display flex with X-ray while removing LCD panel. Clean around the body to the place of LCD panel. Connect touch flex connector to the main LCD flex. Install protection tape on the touch flex connector. Apply gum around the LCD on the glass, do not apply gum on the place of sensor and front camera. Install LCD panel in the body. Connect sub-flex connector to the sub-board. Connect LCD display flex connector to the main board. Install ringer buzzer in the body. Put back screws on the ringer buzzer. Install protection cover on the main board. Put back screws on the protection cover. Install protection tape. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. In the end must use rubber bands for good fitting, remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Power on phone, check display and touch working. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.